channel Alagappa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Karaikudi, always nurturing excellence in the field of education. Today, 26th January, we are observing 75th Republic Day, which we are going to commemorate in a splendid manner. Look at the beautiful atmosphere prevailing in our school with tricolored balloons and flags everywhere, which exhibits the patriotism. Let me brief about the celebration that is planned on this special occasion. Today is the only day to remember and honor the pains, sacrifices and struggles undergone by our great freedom fighters. At the same time, expect the same contribution extended by the younger generations of the today citizens of tomorrow. Do you know who is going to be our chief guest? Any guess? Okay, let me reveal out. He is none other than the most respectable Colonel Sri Sushant Kumar Mishra, 9th Tamil Nadu Battalion. He did his schooling in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Basically, he is a mechanical engineer from Odisha Engineering College. Last but not least, an M.Tech in Tank Technology, Jawaharlal Nehru University. He joined in the Indian Army in the year December 2000. He is a specialist in tank technology, which is called as a vehicle specialist. He has served all over India like Mizoram, Nagaland, etc. Before joining Karaikudi, he was in Lucknow. He is well versed in English, Hindi, Bengali and Odia. Now it's time to witness the cultured show. Stay tuned with me.
तानं तं ततानं तं ततानं तं ततानं तं ततनं तनं ता दीं तनन तनं तनं ता तनं तनं ता दीं तनन तनं तनं ता இளைய பாரதம் எழுகவே இளைய பாரதம் எழுகவே புது உலக காவியம் எழுதவே
என் பேரு இந்திய நாடு என் வீடு இந்தியன் என்பது என் பேரு எல்லா மக்களும் என் உறவு எல்லோர் மொழியும் என் பேச்சு திசை தொடும் துருத்தரு என் தோழர் அல்ஹம்துலில்லாஹி ரப்பில் ஆலமீன் அர்-ரஹ்மானிர் ரஹீம் திசை தொடும்